Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe, done in 30 minutes start to finish. Pasta shrimps sweet spicy cheddar raisins. Ingredients: pasta, fresh shrimps, butter, salt, pepper, chili pepper, honey, California dry raisins, sharp cheddar cheese grated. Preparation: cook the fresh shrimps for 1 minute in boiling salted water, and skin them. Cook the pasta in salted boiling water with a drop of olive oil to your liking and type of pasta. In a pan on low heat add butter, the shrimps, salt, pepper, chili pepper, honey, the dry raisins. Cook for a few minutes only. Once the pasta is ready, add the shrimps, the grated cheese, some black pepper and toss. Ready to serve this delicious meal. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.